Imagine a massive iceberg floating in the cold Antarctic Ocean. Even though this iceberg weighs millions of tons, it still floats on the water. But how is that possible? The secret lies in something called density. Density means how tightly matter is packed inside a substance. Most solids are heavier and denser than their liquid forms, so they sink. But water behaves differently. When water freezes, its molecules arrange themselves into a special crystal structure called a hexagonal lattice. In liquid water, the molecules are packed closely together, constantly moving and sliding past each other. But when water turns into ice, the molecules lock into a rigid structure that actually creates extra space between them. Because of this extra space, ice expands and becomes less dense than liquid water. Since ice is less dense than the water around it, it floats. This is why only about 10% of an iceberg is visible above the ocean, while the remaining 90% stays hidden underwater. This simple property of water is incredibly important for life on Earth. Because ice floats, lakes and oceans freeze only on the surface, creating an insulating layer that protects aquatic life below. If ice were heavier than water, it would sink, and many lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up, making life impossible. So the next time you see an iceberg floating peacefully in the ocean, remember, it floats not because it is light, but because frozen water is less dense than liquid water.